Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So I've been up early again. I'm always up early, about 4 a.m. And I saw the sun was about to come up, so I decided to take a drone flight. I'm going to show you guys that here in a minute. But just kind of wanted to speak on a few things, what this country's going through right now. I know I'm a small channel, but I want to use my platform for good, so I'm currently looking for things to do to help this movement, because we gotta have change, guys. Things gotta change. We gotta unite together and force change. Racism is real and it's not right. It's gotta be fixed. Anyway, I've been out flying my drone this morning, and I was out flying around trying to get some good shots while the sun was coming up. I got a lot of projects going on, and those are all future videos. I gotta fix my Max over there. I got all the parts now for it, so there'll probably be a video coming on that soon. I got a collaboration with another guy coming up Monday, and I think we're gonna go out and film some of the art murals that the people that are protesting are doing, and just bring a light on some of the beautiful art and the message that they show with our drones, and try to catch some cool art and show their message, bring light to it. I promise, guys, if once this channel gets big, I will use this channel for good, and when there's injustice and wrong in this world, I'll speak out on it. I'm not political. I believe in uniting and doing things together, and making stuff happen. When there's stuff that's wrong, it has to be fixed. Anyway, guys, I'm going to quit rambling. Check out this drone footage, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes after the drone footage ends.
and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
that. Let me know what you guys think about the sunrise drone footage down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a like. That was pretty cool. I had fun flying out there while the sun was coming up. It was dark at first, and you could see all the city lights. And then as the sun come up, as the video went on, the lights were going away. It was cool. I kept losing signal a lot. I wasn't even that far away, but I think there's a lot of interference. Like my trailer was kind of in the way, and a bunch of trees, and there just must have been a bunch of interference because that drone definitely has better range than that. Anyway, guys, I wanted to remind you, I'm almost halfway there now. I just passed 400 subscribers, but when I get to 1,000, I'm giving this away. As soon as I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to announce, I'll probably make a video and announce how to enter in the giveaway. It's going to be somebody that's subscribed, and it's going to definitely be somebody that comments on the videos. So the more people that comment on the videos between now and then, the more chances there'll be to win it. It's going to be somebody that's subscribed, and it's going to be somebody that's active on the channel. I am not going to specifically choose it. It will be random, but it will be somebody that's commenting on my videos and somebody that's subscribed to the channel. So you'll have to be a subscriber, and you'll have to be active watching the videos and subscribe and commenting on them. But yeah, as soon as I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving this away. It does need restored, but for its age, it's in really good condition. So restored, this thing's worth up to almost $700, $700 restored. In the condition it's in right now, it's worth about $300 still because it's so old and collectible, and 95% of the parts are there and in good condition. It just needs a little bit of work and a couple of minor parts. But yeah, it's definitely highly collectible, and it's an old vintage RC, so it's kind of what started the hobby, like back in the 70s. Anyway, guys, I love you guys. I don't want to talk too much, and you guys will click away anyway. Please watch the videos till the end and help share the channel and help grow. I want to do some big things with this channel, so double thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next video, and I love you guys.